Hello guys, I want to explain my study program. Animation. Animation is the process of creating an illusion of motion by combining a sequence of different image, objects, and visual elements. And the reason why I choose this study program, because previously I went to film school and I work in the film industry. So I entered this study program because there is an element of film. And now I want to explain 10 vocabulary about animation. The first, frame. Frame is a single image in a sequence of images that make up an animation. The second, keyframe. Keyframe is a frame in animation that defines a significant point in the animation sequence. The third, cell animation. A traditional form of animation that involves drawing each frame by hand on a transparent sheet called a cell or celluloid. The fourth, stop motion animation is a technique where objects are physically manipulated in small increments between individually photographed frames to create the illusion of movement when the series of frames is played as a continuous sequence. The fifth, storyboard. Storyboard is a visual representation of an animation script consisting of a series of illustrations that show how the story will unfold. Rigging. The sixth, rigging. Rigging is the process of creating a digital skeleton to manipulate it more easily 3D animation software, which allows animators to manipulate it more easily. The seventh, rendering. Rendering is the process of generating the final output from an animation project, which can be anything from a single image to an entire movie. The eighth, morphing. Morphing is a technique in which one image seamlessly transforms into another, used for special effects and transitions in animation. The ninth, squash and stretch. Squash and stretch is a fundamental animation principle used to convey the flexibility and weight of objects by exaggerating their shapes change during motion. The tenth is frame rate. Frame rate is the number of individual frames displayed per second in animation, often measured in frames per second or FPS, influencing the animation smoothness and realism. Thank you.